on our own. I want to go over the directions. So these are the instructions that are going to help you complete the graphic organizer. And I'm going to ask someone to repeat these to make sure that they're clear for everybody before you do this on your own. So you're going to find an example of figurative language using the diagram anchor chart. The diagram anchor chart is right over there. That's what you will use as you're reading to ask yourself some questions to be able to find the figurative language. You're going to then write the example, the evidence from the text, in the first column. Then you're going to determine whether the example is a simile or a metaphor. How do you do that? You can also use the diagram chart, or you can use the key points. That's why we did them. Charles? Thank you. Then you're going to determine what two things are being compared, because that's in column 3. Sorry, you're going to determine whether the example is simile or metaphor. You're going to write that in column 2. Then for column 3, you are going to determine what two things are being compared. And you can do that by trying to find the noun. And then 4, how would you act out this sentence? That's what we did for the first one, right? Because it wasn't really easy to compare the children to the roses and the weeds. What do you see in your mind when you read this sentence aloud? What do you see in your mind? What image can you create? Or think about what these two things have, the two things in column 3 have in common, just like we did when we were looking at these two pictures. What are the similarities between these two nouns? Why are they being compared? What image does this comparison create in your mind? Describe the image in column 4. So as you're doing this, you will also be seated, working independently, and at voice level scrutiny. Can someone repeat the directions? So how are you going to complete this evidence organizer? And I want you to try to do it in your own words to make sure that it's clear for everybody. Kayla, Latin copy.
For column 1, you're going to need to find an example of the text, paraphrase, or you can quote. For column 2, you're going to infer if it's a simile or a metaphor
Awesome.
by seeing what it's comparing to one things and seeing what keywords you see.
Awesome.
For column number 3, you're going to explain what the things are that we compared. And for column 4, you're going to write down what the simile or metaphor tells you about the thing that's being compared.
Awesome. Where do you get a sense of the setting? In what column? Show me with your hands. Yes, in column 4. Column 4 is what tells us what the setting is like. So if I look at this chart, and I'm just going to go back. If I'm looking at this chart, the children are close together and looking up to the sky. The sun is yellow, round, and shiny. I can kind of picture that in my head already. Especially if I think of what Onyx and Zayera and Jewel did on the ground. And then you just picture a bright, shiny, round sun that's yellow up in the sky. So one, it tells me the place, because they're outside, relating it back to the setting. It also tells me the time, because it must be daytime if the sun is yellow, round, and shiny. That also relates to the setting, because it's the time and the place. So, when you are doing this, you have to make sure that you complete each of these different sections of the graphic organizer. That will show me whether you have reached the objective, if you've included all the things that we talked about in each of these different sections. Put your thumbs up if you understand what you need to do. Awesome. So I'm going to continue reading, and then I'm going to give you time to go back into the text and try to find those examples of figurative language. Now, as I'm reading, you can mark the text to show me when you found an example of figurative language. And you can use this chart, again, to ask yourself questions to make sure that you answer. Sorry. one, which are objective, and two, you are able to answer each of the questions that are in the evidence organizer. I think the sun is a flower that blooms for just 1 hour. That was Margot's poem, read in a quiet voice in the still classroom while the rain was falling outside. Ah, you didn't write that, protested one of the boys. I did, said Margot. I did. William, said the teacher. But that was yesterday. Now the rain was slackening and the children were crushed in the great thick windows. Where's teacher?